found that it's a good idea to warm up the roll crimper. Warm, not hot. The other thing is I put a little drop of oil on the table, and every 5th or 10th hull I just dip the corner in there. So I get it warm, not hot, but warm. Then when I bring it down, I make contact, 1, 2, 3, and then I roll it down, 1, 2, 3. These were for just hunting. I would make them all the same length with the stop on the drill press. Dip this one, just the slightest little bit of oil. Contact, let it warm up, 1, 2, 3, roll down, 1, 2, 3. Warm up, 1, 2, 3, roll down, 1, 2, 3. It's like waltzing. This is the sabot, the Slugs Are Us sabot, and this is the slug. The mold is made by Slugs Are Us. And here's some good enough. Kill some time under self-quarantine loads.